hurt your eyes. He goes, it's basically a hair enhancement product that's safe for the eyes. And I don't know what's in it. I don't know if it's just like castor oil or something that's just going to make your lashes grow, because it is a very good oil and is nutritive towards the lashes or your hairs. And as we have found, when we were checking some of these ingredients, that's the main ingredient in there. I've got a lot of fallout from that mascara, y'all. I'm having to get all kinds of little pieces off. And I don't know if it's from the lashes or where I did my eyebrows. And actually, now that I comb my eyebrows out more and more, it's less and less effective. So I think what I would say about this is, if you do it, set them real quick, brush them, and leave them alone. Because the more that I've brushed them, see how there's a powder? It's just coming right off. Which is good in some ways. I'm using the tip of this to get it off. It's good in some regards, but it's also looks very dirty and messy. And I'm having to just like use this little dual fiber brush to get it off my brow now. So I'm just thinking out loud, y'all. What do y'all think? Do you know of one that doesn't do this? A brow product? Hello. I've got all kinds of little hair, little things coming off. I don't know. What else would I say is going to go back? I might send back that highlighter. I don't know. It's a good highlighter. It's a blue-based highlighter, which I like. I don't like the peach or the champagne. So for that, it may be the only highlighter stick I ever get again. I would not get it twice. I'm definitely going to keep the blush. I am going to definitely send back the base, the foundation stick. I don't like it. And I will go ahead and keep the iPod this time. Because now the more I look at it, I'm thinking, this was just too drying. The Atelier 2 is just, but is it melting into my skin? It looks like my skin, but better. But I feel like I have other products that do that. I feel like my Chanel does that. I feel like my Lancome does that. So it's not blowing my mind or anything. I don't know. What do y'all think? I'll tell you, for a person with a large nose, putting the highlight on the end like most people do and have it come down because it makes it look skinnier, I don't think it does. I think that is a mistake now. I feel like it highlights my big nose. And these colors, while they're very pretty, I feel like I could have just gotten with any palette. You know, I've got so many palettes, so I may send it back. Wow, there is so much fallout. I'm having to do nothing but get it off. So look, that one even made a little line. Which means now I'm having to go over where my... Yeah, that's not good at all. Not good at all. So maybe using this for eyebrows wasn't a good idea. And again, maybe if there's an eyebrow gel out there that y'all would say, hey, clear gel doesn't work for me. It has to have some color. And I usually do like a brown, soft brown, and maybe that's too warm. So maybe if I did go a dark brown, I would have a different feeling about this. So anyway, give me your thoughts. I do like this highlight on the upper lip. I do like the lip product being the same as the cheek product, and really could have even used it for an eyeshadow. So anyway, y'all give me your thoughts. Again, I am definitely going to be keeping the super loaded tinted highlighter because of all that it was able to do with one product. So the only thing I know that I'm going to return, without a shadow of a doubt, is the base. Unless I'm wearing this by the end of the day and I'm like, I still look very nicely made up without being over made up. I mean, it didn't cover things up. There's no highlighter to the, coverage to this in the sense of covering up my age spots. You can clearly still see them. And brush-wise, oh my gosh, I don't think I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury brush anytime again soon. I just have little pieces of brush all over my face. It's just, and it's not old, and it was an expensive brush, so Sigma is the best. Okay, so this would be a good time to end because Little Velvet has decided that she's going to tear up my window. It's somebody who's obviously delivering something. So I've missed you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this. Kind of get back together and play in makeup time. And I will talk to you again soon. And in my next video, we'll talk about all the little fun things I'm loving lately. See y'all. Bye.